Hey guys, welcome to M&M PTE NAATI. This is Mohit. Today I will be sharing about these most recent changes that have come. So we all know that from 7th August there are a lot of changes that is happening in PTE Academic, and I want to discuss about a few of them, not all of them, but it is based on the recent real Pearson mock test that we've done. So I would like to share our experience, but before I start doing that, if you're after PTE Academic coaching or PTE core coaching, you can always contact us, or even if it is Nati, Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, you can contact us using Instagram, Facebook. Simply search MNMMPT Nati, or in the description below there are links. You can click on those links and contact with us on Instagram, Facebook, or we also have a WhatsApp number in the description below. Have a chat with our admin, talk to us so that we can let you know how will we help you to clear these exams in your very first attempt. Now, let us start discussing about the most recent mock test that we did. So the first thing that we wanted to test was MCQ single and MCQ multiple for both listening and reading section. So earlier, as in before 7th of August, we had 1 to 2 questions for MCQ single multiple for reading and listening. But now from 7th of August 2025, the change was that the number of questions increased to 2 to 3. So because the number of question increased to 2 to 3, we just wanted to make sure that whether the weightage is still 0 or now do they have some weightage. So we did this test where we have attempted all the MCQ single and multiple for reading and listening section, and all the answers were correct, but still we got a 10 in reading and a 10 in listening, which makes it absolutely clear that even after increasing the number of questions for MCQ single, multiple, both reading and listening section, the weightage is still 0. The reason we wanted to check this is because these are total 4 topics. We just want to make sure that our students are not wasting time in preparing something that is not going to give them any benefit. So just because the number of questions have increased, that doesn't mean that it has any weightage now. It is absolutely the way it was before the changes. So I would like to say that do not prepare your MCQ single and multiple in listening and reading section. Don't waste your time. So because you know that the weightage is 0 marks. The next thing that we wanted to test was essay writing. We now know that we will only get one essay from 7th August 2025, and essay only gives you marks in writing section, which was always the case. That hasn't changed. But there is a massive change in the weightage of essays, because earlier we used to get 1 to 2 essays and the weightage was 5 to 10 marks in writing section based on the number of essays you get. But now you're only getting one essay, and we made sure that we use our template in the essay. We gave the essay test and we got a full score of 26 marks. It shows 36 because we all know that we automatically get a score of 10 just because we've attempted Pearson test. And this is not only mock test, but this is real Pearson exam as well. If you go to real Pearson exam, just do nothing and come back without solving the questions, you still get 10 in all 4 sections. You never get 0. So we have to understand that when we get a 36 in writing, that means the weightage of essay is 25, around approximately 25-26 marks, and that is very high, which means we have to now make sure that the essay writing is taken seriously. We cannot just go to the exam, write down a template and come back expecting a good score. That won't work anymore. Yes, we did use template, but we made sure that if we are using, let's say the weightage of template is, for example, 50%, then the remaining 50% has to be content, and it has to be content meaning relevant content to the essay title. Our template is ready. We will very soon share the essay template with you guys, because we want to make sure that everybody out there should get their writing score, because now Essay will definitely decide if you are getting a good writing score or not, because 25, 26 marks is no joke. So please make sure that you be very careful with your grammar errors, with your spelling mistakes, with your sentence structure, the structure of the essay. And please only don't just use the template. Make sure that you use the template, but the contribution of template in your answer should not be more than 40-50%. The remaining 50-60% should be relevant content where you are explaining your ideas, you're giving relevant examples, you're concluding your paragraphs properly. Otherwise, it would be very difficult to get a good score. So be ready. We will share the template soon. We will share how to write down the essay so that you can get your good score. And we will keep giving mock exams based on these changes, and also the real PT exams. And we will definitely share our experiences. We want to make sure that we give as many mock exams as possible, so that we can check the weightage of every single topic and let you guys know, so that you have a very clear picture of what topic is important, what topic is less important, maybe not at all important, maybe very important, so that you can prioritize accordingly and plan your preparation. That is what we do with our students. Every student of our has a specific study plan to follow, which is created based on their schedule and based on their score requirement. And we give them that plan. They follow it every single day and put their work in their personal Telegram group, so that Manmohit and I can check their work and give them feedback, personal one-on-one feedback, all 7 days a week. Because you all now know that there is a lot of human checking in your Pearson exam, in your real PT exam. It's not how it used to be back then. Your summarized written text, summarized spoken text, essay writing, describe image, retell lecture, summarize group discussion, and respond to situations. 7 topics will be checked by a human being, which means there is a lot of human involvement now. So gone are those days when we could just randomly speak something or write some template, come back home, expect a good score. Gone are those days. You have to make sure that no matter what you speak or write, it has to be genuine content, relevant content. Otherwise, your responses get flagged, they get checked by a human being. The human being, if they feel that the content is not relevant, they will give you 0 and you will not get your desired score. So we should just make sure that we understand that this is not impossible, but yes, this is something we need to take seriously. So make sure whatever work you are doing, you're taking feedback from a human being, so that your teacher can tell you if you are on the right track, if you will get your desired score or not, if your grammar is correct or not, because just relying on software is not enough anymore. I wish you all the best, and if you have any questions, queries, do reach out on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and we are there to help you. God bless you.